Hey choir, this week you're going to be doing your second video submission. It's going to be very similar to the one you did last week. It is still a Solfege Recognition video assignment. If you choose to record it with your picture, great. If you choose to just do the audio recording, that's totally fine. You can black out your webcam. A lot of people did that last week. For this assignment, it's going to be done the same exact way as the last one, except the song has changed and the solfege syllables are actually written underneath each note. I'm only going to demonstrate the first line. That way you have an opportunity to kind of figure it out on your own. Please make sure that you do listen to this song somewhere before you start working through this, because some of the versions out there start on different notes. So just find a note that you're most comfortable with. So if I'm looking at this, it's row, row, row your boat, but I'm going to be singing in solfege. So I have do, 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 re, mi. And then you continue from there, and you'll go all the way to the end of the song, really super short. If you have questions about this, please let me know. If you did not do the first video recording and you don't know how to enable Flash on your laptop, make sure you see the assignment tab that's still labeled Video Submission Test Run. The tutorial video for you will be there. So this is due Sunday by midnight. If you have questions, shoot me an email or send me a message.